Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Dialogue. We are really happy you are here with us today. If this is your first time listening, welcome to our English learning family. And if you listen to us every week, thank you for coming back and learning again. My name is Amber, and I will be here with you step by step today.
Hi everyone, my name is Bruno. We're very glad you decided to spend part of your day with us. Learning English is not always easy. Sometimes it feels slow, sometimes it feels difficult. But you are here, you are listening. That means you are trying, and that is already great.
Maybe you are listening in the morning, maybe in the afternoon, or maybe at night before you go to bed. Wherever you are doing something good for yourself.
Yes, this podcast is a calm and safe place to learn English slowly. No pressure, no stress. Just simple English you can really use in your daily life.
We believe learning English should feel friendly, like talking with a kind and helpful friend.
That's why we speak slowly. We repeat important phrases, and we use real examples from daily life.
Today is another day to practice. You don't need to understand everything. Just listen, relax, and try.
And before we start, please remember to like this episode and subscribe to Daily English Dialogue. Your support helps us grow, and it helps more English learners find this podcast.
All right, Bruno, let's tell our listeners about today's topic.
Today, we're talking about daily routines, especially morning routines.
Morning routines are the things we do after we wake up.
Everyone has a morning routine. Some routines are very simple, some routines are very busy.
And the good news is this: morning routines are perfect for learning English.
Yes, because we talk about the same actions every day.
Today, we will listen, then we will talk together, and then we will listen again.
This helps your brain remember the words.
So, relax your shoulders, take a slow breath. You are ready to learn. Bruno, let's start with a very easy question. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. on weekdays.
Everyone listening, please repeat slowly. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. Good job.
You can change the time. Use your own life.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I wake up at 8 a.m.
I wake up early.
I wake up late.
Great listening. Amber, what is the first thing you do after you wake up? The first thing I do is turn off my alarm.
Everyone, listen carefully. The first thing I do is. This sentence is very important.
You can use it every day.
For example, the first thing I do is drink water.
The first thing I do is check my phone.
The first thing I do is open the window.
Now, pause and try to say one sentence. Good job for trying.
Even if it feels hard, that's okay. You are learning.
The first thing I do is turn off my alarm.
The first thing I do is drink water.
Excellent. After I turn off my alarm, I get out of bed.
Everyone repeat slowly. I get out of bed.
Then I stretch my body.
Stretching means moving your arms and legs.
I stretch my arms.
I stretch my legs.
Stretching helps your body wake up.
Yes, stretching makes me feel better in the morning.
After that, I go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Let's repeat slowly. Brush my teeth.
Wash my face.
These are daily habits. We do them every day. After washing my face, I drink a glass of water.
Drinking water in the morning is a healthy habit.
Everyone say it again. I drink a glass of water.
Great job. Your pronunciation is getting better.
Amber, do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I do. I usually drink coffee at home.
I usually drink tea.
Coffee and tea are very common morning drinks.
You can say, I drink coffee.
I drink tea.
Simple and useful English. Now let's talk about breakfast.
Breakfast is the first meal of the day.
I usually eat a quick breakfast.
A quick breakfast does not take much time.
My quick breakfast is a banana.
My breakfast is toast and eggs.
Let's repeat the pattern. My breakfast is.
My breakfast is a banana.
My breakfast is bread.
Very good.
After breakfast, I get dressed.
Everyone repeat. I get dressed.
I choose simple clothes.
Then I check my schedule for the day.
Check my schedule means look at my plan.
I check my to-do list.
A to-do list helps us remember tasks.
After that, I leave the house.
I take the bus to work.
I drive to work.
I walk to work.
All of these are correct sentences.
When I arrive at work, I start working.
I usually start work at 9 a.m.
The first thing I do at work is check emails.
During the morning, I stay focused.
Stay focused means pay attention.
At noon, I eat lunch.
My lunch is rice and vegetables.
My lunch is a sandwich.
After lunch, I feel a little tired.
Me too. I take a short break.
Short breaks help us feel better.
In the afternoon, I finish my work.
I finish work at 5 p.m.
After work, I go home.
When I get home, I change my clothes.
Then I eat dinner.
My dinner is simple and warm.
After dinner, I wash the dishes.
In the evening, I relax.
I relax by watching TV.
I relax by listening to music. After bed, I brush my teeth again.
Then I read a book or listen to music.
Finally, I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Sleep is very important for learning and health.
A good night helps us have a good morning.
Listen one last time.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
The first thing I do is drink water.
I eat a quick breakfast.
I relax in the evening.
Excellent listening today.
Today, we learned many useful daily English phrases.
I wake up at.
The first thing I do is.
My breakfast is.
I relax in the evening.
Remember, learning English is a journey.
Small steps every day are enough.
Now we have a question for you.
What time do you usually wake up in the morning? Tell us in the comments.
We would love to read your answers.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
See you next time on Daily English Dialogue.
Keep learning, keep going. You are doing great.